Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to generate videos in Google Flow Beta. First off, make sure that you've already downloaded this Flow application by Google. Once done, launch it. Now, if you already have an account, sign in. If not, you can also sign up. This is completely free. Then you will see a page like this. In here, if you would like to create a video, tap on the new button. It will load this chat for here, and then simply type in your prompt. In my case, I would like to go for a video of football team wearing black jersey and playing football. By default, it might be selected to image, but select video. And as you do that, select the time as well, and also the X1 or whatever you would prefer. Once done, tap on send. So guys, this is what it generated me.
Set. Blue 42. Set.
Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.